Welcome to the netiquette-next and welcome back to the series of WordPress web. Here we go. We are on the login page. I'm gonna log in it as it is because I have saved the password. We are on the dashboard right now, and in today's amazing video I will be installing a new plugin and I will be adding new functionalities to our dashboard, and that will be benefiting our web. Here we go. We are going to search the NextGEN Gallery. I already have searched it previously, so it appeared here. I'm going to search it here, the NextGEN Gallery, and here we have it appeared here. Here we have the option to install now. I have clicked on it. It is being installed. It is being processed. We also have other galleries option, but this one is we are installing. This is by Imagely and it is being installed. We also can see more details of it, and now we are going to activate it. It is being activated, and now it is activated. And welcome to the NextGEN Gallery. Congrats, you are now running the most popular WordPress gallery plugin of all time. Here we have YouTube video tutorial to see how it's work, and it has already congratulated us that we have created it. And here we go to NextGEN Gallery. Here we have its overview. We already have seen that we can add gallery or images. Here we can add new gallery, and in gallery title, for example, any title. Our web name is Tech Vlog, so we are going to write here technology. And create and select. We can drag image and zip files here, or we can browse, and we also can upgrade it now. We are going to browse, and here we shall go. Here we have an image, so we are going to put it. It is now added to our gallery. One file was selected, and I'm gonna upload one file, and it is uploaded. Manage gallery, we should go to the manage gallery, and in manage gallery we can search images. Here we have uploaded. We can search galleries here. What was the name of our gallery again? It was technology. We can search that, and here we have technology. We also can search it from here, and here ID, we have one gallery ID, that is technology, and we also have one image. We can see them here. We can manage our albums also. We didn't have selected any album yet. When we can select albums, we can add new albums. No album has selected, but we can select albums likewise, as we can select the images, and we can select the gallery names and albums. So here we go to the manage tags and gallery setting. We can see the settings of all gallery. Basic thumbnails, override thumbnail settings, yes or no. Image per page, 24 images are going to appear on the page. A number of columns to display is 0. We can select however we want here. And basic tag layout is enable AJAX. Pagination, yes or no. Add hidden images and use image browser effect, and all of other options we can see here. and other options we can see. We can add extensions. It was the gallery, we can use the gallery however we want. It is really beneficial. We can use visuals and vlogs however we want to upload on our posts and our website. That was for today. I will be back soon with another amazing video, so keep liking and watching our video and subscribe our channel.